allergies, viruses, or bacteria can cause pinkeye, which is also called conjunctivitis. In this video, you will learn more about the best remedies for pinkeye, and when to see a doctor. One of the most common and contagious eye infections is called pinkeye. It's important to identify the symptoms to avoid catching it, and to determine what caused it. Out of the 3 types of pinkeye that exist, only one is contagious, and it's caused by fungus or bacteria. The 2 other types, allergic pinkeye and toxic pinkeye, aren't contagious. Allergic pinkeye is caused by allergies and sinus infections, and toxic pinkeye is caused by exposure to chemical products, such as cleaning products, makeup, smoke, paint, etc. To avoid catching infectious pinkeye, avoid using any of the infected person's personal objects. The most common symptom is when your eye swells up, gets red and is constantly teary. Depending on how bad your case is, you may experience swollen eyelids, light sensitivity, itchiness, and blurry vision. This inflammation normally fades with time, but there are several home remedies that help relieve pain and irritation. Instead of using fabricated eye drops, try this recipe that's great for pinkeye. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal, 1 cup of water. Instructions: mix the charcoal in the water, let it sit for 3 hours. Pour a few drops of the mixture in your infected eye with a dropper. You can repeat this procedure every 4 hours until you feel the inflammation going down. To further relieve the pain, leave the dropper full of the mixture in the refrigerator. When the mixture gets cold, it has a soothing effect on your irritated eyes. Prevention is very important, so avoid touching or scratching your eyes with your hands. If you must apply any medicines or creams, be sure to wash your hands well beforehand. Avoid sharing personal objects which may have come in contact with an infected person's eye. If your symptoms don't disappear or improve after a few days of this remedy, consider going to see a specialist to get a more accurate diagnosis of your symptoms.